Hello everyone. In this quick video tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to create or reset an end-to-end encryption PIN password in Messenger. Please watch this video to the end, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials and tips. Security and privacy are our top priorities, so let's dive in and learn how to protect your messages with a PIN code. But first, let's quickly understand what a PIN code is in Messenger's end-to-end encryption. A PIN code in Messenger's end-to-end encryption is a unique 6-digit password that you create to safeguard your encrypted messages. It serves as an additional layer of security and is required to restore your old messages on a new mobile device or computer. If you have already saved your chats in secure storage from Messenger, you can easily restore them on a new device using your PIN. This PIN code is the one you created when you first turned on secure storage. In case you need to reset your PIN, you must use a device that already has secure storage enabled. This ensures that only authorized users can modify the PIN code. Now that you understand the importance of a PIN code in Messenger's end-to-end encryption, let's move on to the step-by-step process of creating or resetting your PIN. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. After that, tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. Next, tap on the settings icon to open your Messenger profile. Now scroll down until you find Privacy and Safety and tap on it. From here, locate and tap on End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now you are in the end-to-end encrypted chat settings. Next, tap on Message Storage to access the PIN code options. Under the Security Methods section, you will find the option to reset PIN and generate a 40-character code. For simplicity, I recommend using the PIN code as it is easier to remember for future use. Simply tap on Reset PIN to proceed. If you cannot find the Reset PIN option, it means you haven't enabled secure storage yet. In that case, tap on Secure Storage and follow the prompts to enable it. Once you have access to reset your PIN, you can set your new 6-digit password. Enter your desired 6-digit PIN code and confirm it by entering it again. You have successfully created or reset your end-to-end encryption PIN in Messenger. Now your old messages are secure and can only be accessed with your 6-digit PIN code. Remember, protecting your privacy is of utmost importance. By utilizing Messenger's end-to-end encryption and setting a PIN code, you can have peace of mind knowing that your messages are safe from prying eyes. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. If you have any questions about this topic, please let me know in the comments section below.